On this video, I'll be sharing what happened in medical laboratory science around the world in the month of June. Yes, if you are seeing this video, do well to like, share and subscribe, and follow me for more videos like this as I take you around what happens in medical laboratory science around the globe. Imagine walking into your laboratory on a Monday morning, then you are preparing samples, you are calibrating your analyzers and reviewing quality control results. It feels like just another ordinary day, right? But thousands of kilometers away, medical laboratory scientists around the world are quietly changing the future of healthcare, from India to United States, from Pakistan to Finland. June 2026 proved just one thing. It proves that medical laboratory scientists are no longer only working behind the scenes, but rather they are becoming the architect of the future medicine. Amazing things are happening. Now, let me tell you about what happened around the world in the field of medical laboratory science in the month of June. So on the first news, India is to host the first big laboratory medicine event. Yes, India is hosting it soon. It was announced in India that they will be hosting it next. And what is this event? This event is called the IFCC. The IFCC is called the International Federation of Clinical Chemistry and Laboratory Medicine. So this event is one of the world's largest laboratory medicine conference, and it is taking place in New Delhi in India, and it's going to be happening sometime this year. So stay tuned because the date will be announced and I'll bring that information to you. And in this event, thousands of medical laboratory scientists, researchers, educators and diagnostic companies are expected to gather to unveil the new innovations in medical laboratory medicine. This conference is expected to influence the future of laboratory practice worldwide. Amazing things are happening. So on the second headline, you should know that smart laboratories are becoming a reality. Experts from several countries, including Finland, Turkey, United States, and also United Arab Emirates, showcase how wearable devices, digital health technology, and lab-on-a-chip innovations are changing laboratory medicine. So instead of patients always visiting laboratories, diagnostic information may soon come directly from wearable technology and mobile testing platform. Wow, amazing things is happening. If this should happen, then what would the medical laboratory scientists do? This is what medical laboratory scientists will do. Medical laboratory scientists will increasingly focus on validating and interpreting this complex data set. Yes, this is what we'll be doing as medical laboratory scientists if this come into play. Lab on a chip. So on the third news that happened in June worldwide, this one actually happened in the United States. Molecular diagnostics help fight antimicrobial resistance. I know you know what antimicrobial resistance is as a medical laboratory scientist. If you are not a medical laboratory sacentist, antimicrobial resistance is that way when you start taking antibiotics and it's no longer working for you as a patient or an individual. The bacteria becomes resistant to that drug that you are taking. That this is a global issue that is currently happening to many people. That is why sometimes your injury refuses to go, that cut refuses to go because of antimicrobial resistance. Now, this is the innovation that United States has invented in fighting antimicrobial resistance using the molecular diagnosis. So researchers in the United States demonstrated how molecular testing can accurately identify antibiotic resistance in Helicobacter pylori infection. And what this will do is that it's going to help reduce prescribing antibiotics by guesswork and also help reduce antimicrobial resistance. I believe you will agree with me that this is one of the reasons why molecular diagnostics remain the fastest growing specialty in the field of medical laboratory science. If you are seeing this video, do well to go through the description. You see a video I made about the ranking of medical laboratory science specialty. Number 1 is going to shock you. So do well to share this video and like. Bless. So on the number 4, artificial intelligence is becoming every medical laboratory scientist's new assistant. Researchers from the Netherlands and Serbia presented an exciting work on how artificial intelligence can assist in diagnosing anemia and autoimmune thyroid diseases. Amazing things are happening. AI is helping laboratories detect disease pattern faster and improve results interpretation. I know you'll be wondering and asking, won't AI replace scientists? No. Expert has emphasized that AI will only help to support scientists and not replace them. So please take note. So on the number 5, Scotland introduces smarter liver function testing. Amazing. Now you'll be asking, how is this possible, or how is this done? This is it. When routine liver tests produces an abnormal result, additional investigation are automatically triggered without waiting for another doctor's request. And it is done this way because it will help reduce delay, speed up diagnosis, and allow earlier treatment for liver diseases. This is amazing. Wow, I wish Tinubu can see this and make it happen in Nigeria. Amazing things are happening. So still on the headline, Pakistan and Mexico celebrated their Medical Laboratory Professionals Week in the month of June. So the last headline in medical laboratory science globally in the month of June, green laboratories becomes a global priority. Laboratories around the world are beginning to reduce plastic waste, improve energy efficiency, conserve water, and adopt more sustainable practice. Experts are saying laboratories of the future must not only produce accurate results but also protect the environment while maintaining high quality patient care. I believe this is the reason for the green laboratories. So these are your global news for the month of June. So if you enjoyed watching this global news, do well to give me a like, subscribe, give me a follow, and share this video to your friends, to your colleagues. I still remain your medical laboratory scientist, Ebode Nelson. See you on the next news. You are welcome.